How batho ba Modimo? How? Ai ke. Ho ba mo St. John. Ai how easy. Bena how bobebe. Wa ba tsaya batho ba Modimo. It's a hard time ho ba mo St. John. I wanna this year gona. It's a hard time. Number 1, ho thwe rona re na le Noah kerekeng. Number 2, re na le serious case ya bullying kerekeng. Number 3, ho rekiswa metsi kerekeng. Number 4, ke eo di-sex tape. Ho apere seaparo sa St. John. Bana beso, what is wrong with us, my faith mission? Why tlamele re trende bosiu le motshehare rona my faith mission? What is wrong with us? Re tlile le bomme ba baruti ba tlotsang di-makeup kerekeng. O kry mme a na le eyeshadow e blue ka hara velvet ya kereke. What is wrong with us, my St. John Apostolic Faith Mission? O kry mme apere velvet, makeup e shine e re ka eyeshadow le di-eyelash. And then you expecting these young girls to behave while our elders are doing a lot of things. There is a lot that is happening in Faith Mission. What is wrong with Faith Mission? What is wrong with our church, guys? Le aware hore St. John, it's one of the biggest churches in Africa. Not in South Africa, in Africa. We do have the kereke ko Zimbabwe, we do have the kereke ko Namibia, we do have the kereke ko Botswana, we've got the kereke ko Lesotho, we've got the kereke ko Swaziland. Has South Africa fela mona le St. John Apostolic Faith Mission evela. And le aware hore ke rona re dula re trenda ma faith mission. Le aware ha ke re bue nnete. It's always us who are trending for bad things, bana beso. And ka nako re na le kereke ya manku. Why tlamele all the time re dula re tshilafatsa St. John? Why? How do you expect people to come ba tlo ineela go kerekeng ya rona while we are doing such kind of things? And please, Nana, mo video, please, a re batle mathata re kena ra moketene. Ha re batle utlwa go wena wa tlo commit suicide, depression itse kgatla. Wena boy wena, ha re batle utlwa ho thwe wena ya on rano o batlo ipolaela wena as well. Please face the music. Guys, our elders are too old. What's baetapele ba rona ba old? They're supposed to be focusing on a lot of things, but wow, it's a lot. Hai ka tsa le tlo re neo ke o thomile onka di video, neo ke o thomile wa bua. Yes, ha re bueng, because this video ya trenda. How o bula Facebook ke video, how o ke video, how o ke video. Then you expect people to believe us. Ha re rapele ba prophet ba rona. No guys, yo, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Too much. But Chaba St. John Apostolic Faith Mission, what's wrong? What's wrong with you guys? Like, what is wrong with you guys? Bacha, what is wrong? Ki enge kana. Ba lifi ba nwa. O kry mo lifi ang khapo. Jwala apere seaparo. What is wrong? Like, ki enge bothata ba rona ma St. John, what is wrong?
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. And I'm sure by now we might have all seen the trending St. John Apostolic Clove video, which is currently doing its round on social media, where we saw two people, of course, having clove just outside the premises of the church. It looks more like a passage in the building of the St. John's Apostolic Church, and they were not aware that somebody was actually capturing the moment, you guys. And the video has been shared on all social media platforms, and it has recently gone viral, you guys. And it turns out that the lady in the video is allegedly married, as the sister did come forward there on Facebook to state that her sister is married, and that she acted out of character and said that that's not how she usually would behave, and she suspected that maybe something had, been I don't know, maybe something that she had been um, given something. That's what she was insinuating. She says that my sister would never do anything like that. It is as though she was, I'd say, drugged maybe. So she also revealed that the sister is currently at the hospital and urged people to stop sharing the video. Now, this lady who is congregant on from the Church of the St. John um, reprimands again people from the church, saying that it is always the Church of the St. John that trends each and every month, if not week. She says that, the church usually trends for older women wearing makeup in some kind of way, bullying in the church, and now the cloth video. She says, you know what, they need rather, the St. John Church congregants needs to behave, because it can't be them that's always trending. She says that you guys are dragging the church's name down the mud. She says, do you know that the Saint Apostolic Faith Mission Church is actually um, one of the top churches, not only in South Africa, but in Africa, as they have like branches in all countries in Africa. She says that it's about time that we stop embarrassing ourselves as the St. John's Church, because you guys are dragging Memangu, who is the founder of the church's name and image, down the drain. And she says, you people who were involved in this video, you better not even think of unaliving yourself. You better face the music that you created. You better dance to the music that you created, because you created it all. What do you guys think about this? So please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, like this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one and watching it. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.